So welcome to this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex in Aris Drive by VGC. It comes with 4 parking space. Here is the sitting room, very big for you and your family. Here is the massive kitchen. Yes, fully fitted kitchen coming with microwave, countertop, kitchen table. Yes, very massive for you and your family. Now let's go upstairs, and this is the maid room. We can call it the maid room or visitors room downstairs, while we have the other 3 room upstairs. So come, let's go and see. This is located in a well secured estate. Yes, a very secured estate, 24 hours electricity. We have the gym, the pool. Yes, it's a general estate, gym and pool. But this estate is well secured, an estate in an estate, very secured. So this is a place for you and your family, or you want to grow your investment, or you're looking for high rental income. This is a good place. Now, if 4-bedroom duplex is currently going for 4.5 million naira per annum in this environment. So all you need to do is call me now and secure your unit. This duplex is going for 85 million naira. Yes, 85 million naira. So call and secure your own units now.